It's time to mix up a batch of one of our favorite record cleaning fluids from Germany. It's L'Artisan. We will be using a 32-ounce container for this. I don't recommend mixing huge quantities of this unless you're cleaning a whole heck of a lot of records. It actually does go bad after time. For the frequency with which we clean records, I find that 32 ounces works just about right. For 32 ounces or a quart, that is, I think, best to have somewhere between 25 and 30 milliliters, and it comes with this handy little cup. As far as the water, you want to use as clean as water as you possibly can, or I should say as pure as you can. I favor a mixture of both reverse osmosis and distilled. When both processes are applied, you get some pretty pure water. So let's get to it. We'll make up a new batch. That's just about right. Try not to spill this. There we go. And there you are, ready to go.